Ever dreamed of bringing your car back home to Kenya duty-free? Welcome to the ultimate guide to duty-free car shipping for returning residents. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to navigate customs regulations, secure the right paperwork, and avoid unexpected fees. All so you can drive your dream car in Kenya without the hassle. Ready to save money and time? Stick around and let's get started. Requirement is that the car must meet the minimum age limit required to import, usually less than 8 years old. Another requirement is that the car to be imported should not be left hand-driven car. Owners of such cars have the option of importing a similar car that is right-hand drive from another country other than their own. Applies to car owners in Canada, USA, or France, among other countries. You should be in the country at the time of clearing the car. Also note that you must have owned the car for more than 1 year before the import date. In addition, the car to be imported should not be of commercial use, for example, a Toyota van for Matatu business. In order to qualify for duty-free car importation as a Kenyan returning resident, you must ensure that, within the last 2 years, your total time spent in Kenya does not exceed 90 days. Another key requirement is that the vehicle must have a verified clean history, meaning it's not reported stolen, along with being roadworthy and in good overall condition. And there you have it, the essentials of duty-free car import for returning Kenyan residents. Once you verify your eligibility, gather all required documents, and ensure the vehicle meets roadworthiness standards, you'll be on track to drive your dream car in Kenya without hefty taxes. Ready to get started or need tailored guidance? Get in touch for a personalized consultation and let us help you navigate every step of the process. Get your copy of the guide for more details. Thanks for watching.